So check it out. My Marx Commodore Vanderbilt with a 333 motor with smoke unit in it now has a matching sound of power tender, slope back, that I added some handrails using the metal from the surveyor flags, the metal stakes. Also some cotter pins that I got from Robert Grossman. Also we'll add a E7 headlight lens after I get the decals. I haven't got the decals yet, so I don't want to put a lens in there because I don't want to be clear coating over that. So we can check it out. We're going to take it for a spin. Marx Sound of Power unit. This one is really nice and loud. It has a real nice chuff to it. Marx pioneered sound, so kudos to them. And here we go. Okay, well there's the tender, and you can see the handrails that I put on. It really dresses it up nice. That smoke unit works really good. It's about gagging me out. So thanks again for watching. God bless. We'll get some decals on it, and you can check it out. We'll take it for one more spin, probably run a few more trains with it. And never forget, Jesus is Lord.